shall bow down.
They shall bow down. Read.
With their face toward the earth.
Are you gonna humble your face down to the earth?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Read.
And lick up the dust of thy feet.
Are you willing to kiss my boots to show me respect, love, and humility?
I'm not.
Love everybody. He doesn't deal with everybody.
He doesn't love
everybody.
even though
matter
God
of fact,
so loves the world.
So God doesn't love everyone.
He don't love everybody. When did God say that?
Right here. It says it right here, Matthew 24.
With God saying that?
Yeah, God says it. So God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
You can't say God doesn't love
everyone. Let's deal with it then.
God gives an
And so the word world,
Let's deal with it.
the word world,
Can we deal with it?
the word world in
Can we
Greek,
go to verse?
it means nations, tribes,
You can't
specifically
say-
foreign, Gentile, heathen people. That's what the word
And
world
you
means.
choosing the one that's best for your purpose.
No.
Right.
Literally
So who
choose-
would you say God doesn't
What are
love?
you choosing? The one that's
John
best for you.
3:16.
Bring it out.
Class
We're
elevate.
gonna go by line upon line, precept upon precept to show you.
I'm
What
choosing
would you
one that's
say
equal
exactly?
to all
I gotta show you
people.
through the Bible. I gotta show you through the Bible.
The book
Jesus
of John,
came for
chapter
all
3,
people.
and verse 16.
Read.
For God so loved the world.
Now read that word love for me.
Love. L-O-V-E-D.
That's past tense. From Genesis to Malachi, who did God express his love to?
The word world in that verse literally
Listen,
means, according
1,
to the
2,
Greek,
3.
tribes,
Shut
specific,
your mouth! We don't want to hear you.
one,
I want to deal with it because
Gentile,
it's humble.
heathen, nation,
Now it says love.
people.
Who did God express his love to in past times? Because it's not present.
I love how they think by saying shut up in unity it's going to send us.
Now who did God express his love to in the past?
God expressed
So
his
he's
love to
saying that
all
God doesn't
mankind.
Is that where is that? No, from Genesis.
We gotta go.
Why would God create humans if he
I'm
didn't have
asking
to?
you. Listen, I could be teaching you something wrong, right? You could be here to correct me and show me the light so I can teach the right thing. I want to teach the right thing, right? You will be a bad servant of Jesus Christ, Jesus, Lord, if you don't show me my wrong. Right. Right? Now, can you show me from Genesis to Malachi, where did God express his love to another nation outside of the Israelites?
Right
It
there,
says love,
Matthew
fast.
24, where
ask
he
you a
says
question
go
before I
to take
leave?
the gospel to the whole
Okay, so let me
world.
show you.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Take the
Let me
good
finish
news
this.
to the
Okay, I just
whole
got a dip.
world.
I just had
Got
a
a dip. What you
I just want to know, is it possible for the strangers to become Israelites?
Like,
Is it possible for, you're saying that God only loves the Israelites, is it possible for all people to become Israelites?
let me show you something. And that'll be my last scripture.
Okay, cool. Because I just got to run to the car.
Hold on. Jeremiah 30 and 10.
Bring it out.
Jeremiah, that's correct scripture, right? All seed
All seed covered.
Jeremiah 30 and 10. Give me Jeremiah 30 and 10. And I'm going to show you Isaiah 49:23. Read. Read Jeremiah 30 and 10. Read. Listen. 22 scripture.
Yeah.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 30, verse 10.
Read.
Therefore fear thou not, O my servant Jacob,
Talking about us, the Israelites. Read.
said the Most High,
Read.
neither be dismayed,
Don't be afraid. Read.
O Israel,
Read.
for lo, I will save thee
He said he was going to do what?
I will save
He said he's
thee
going to save them and what?
from afar,
Right? And thy what?
and thy seed.
And thy what?
And thy
What's
seed.
the seed? It's a bloodline. He said he's going to save these bloodline of people. Now, what can you do to show us, you want part of this, right? You want to show us you're sorry.
Right.
You want to show the Israelites love.
Right.
Right? Now, I'm going to show you what you can do.
Right.
And I want to see if you're willing to go that far to show us love. Because your forefathers raped, robbed, and murdered me and my brothers.
Right.
So I want to see how much love you can
When
show
did
me
that
today.
happen to you?
Isaiah 49:23.
Bring it out.
The book.
Even your brother. I can't be raped. I'm a
But
Z,
you
man.
said that.
That's right.
The book of Isaiah, chapter
Hold on.
49.
Listen. Read.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 49, verse 23.
Read.
And king shall be thy nursing father,
The kings in this prophecy is you. You're going to be our nursing fathers one day. Read.
and their queens thy nursing mothers.
Your queens, your women is going to be our nursing mothers. I don't want a kingdom unless you're there. But I'm going to show you what you're going to do there. Hold up. I don't think you want to do that for me.
Okay.
Read.
They shall bow down to thee.
Are you willing to bow down before those that was oppressed by your forefathers?
Of course.
Can you bow down?
Yeah, of course.
Hold up. Read it.
They shall bow down
Can
to
you bow
thee.
down? There's more to it.
About, but I gotta go. I gotta go. I'm also.
I want to show you love.
Yeah.
Show me some love before you go.
I'll meet you there.
Show me some love before you go.
Yeah.
Read.
They shall bow down
They shall
to
bow
thee
down. Read.
with their face toward the
Are you
earth,
gonna humble your face down to the earth?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Read.
and lick up the dust of thy feet.
Are you willing to kiss my boots to show me respect, love, and humility?
I'm not.
Then you're the Bible speaker.
Well, we got a pandemic going on, man.
Bring it out.
The devil the Bible speaker.
That's right.
You a big bird Sesame Street devil, man.
That's right.
Read.
Yeah, you see what I'm
Job
saying
13 and 4.
now? I gave him humbleness
Job
and you're
13 and 4.
responding to me. But see,
I almost
that's-
thought you was gonna show me
I'm
love.
gonna speak to you though. That's
I almost thought you was gonna show me
but I'm gonna speak to you as a human to a human.
We're not-
I get-
I'm
I
a
showed
God
you-
on
I
earth, and
showed
you're gonna be my servant.
That's
I
right.
showed you what my image of respect was.
You didn't show me.
But that's
show me.
see, that's because we're different
You didn't
people
show me.
and we have different
You didn't
beliefs.
show me.
I showed you
But you
to
was
my
willing to
own
go as
beliefs.
far as do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Before you started kissing boots.
I can't. I'm not can't.
Why?
In the city, man,
Okay, you can wipe it
because
off
it's
and kiss it.
unhealthy.
Read.
Because it's not healthy.
Let me show you something.
of Job.
So when you give us pork in our neighborhoods, is that healthy?
How is that?
Read.
How is
Read.
that?
Read.
The book of Job, chapter 13,
Read.
verse 4.
Read.
But ye are forgers of lies.
You are what?
Ye are forgers of
What does the Bible
lies.
say?
Ye are forgers of
You're a
lies.
liar. Read.
Ye are all physicians of no
And
value.
you can't help lying, man. If you really love me for real, you
Yeah.
I went back on the floor and make my boots clean.
And maybe I have work to do.
That's what you could
But
have done.
that's the
Now,
thing.
well, I'm gonna tell you, I dismiss you. Enjoy the rest of your night,
And you
sir.
as well. And I wish you all the success and happiness in the world.
Huh?
No, listen. There's a line that you can toe, and it's important to show people respect to a point that you don't disrespect yourself. I put exactly what I can do for me, and I wish you all the success and happiness as fellow human
What's your
beings.
father?
I have respect.
Yeah.
Have a good night, y'all.
Do you think he's a Jamaican, East Indian, what? You don't know? So if you're an Israelite, I wouldn't make you bow down to kiss my boot. But if you're an East Indian or from these other nations, I'll make you slurp my boot like you try to make my boot your wife.
right.
That's what I would do. Because the Bible talks about that. The Bible said that all knees are going to bow and confess. Why wouldn't I want you to make my boots clean? I'm a God on earth. Am I not?
No, you're not a God.
I'm not? Psalms 82 and 6.
Bring it out.
There's only one God.
There is one God. But the scripture say, where the gods on earth, man? Read. Psalms 82 and 6.
Psalm chapter 82 and verse 6.
Be safe, be safe.
I have said,
Right?
ye are
What
God,
does the Lord say?
Ye are
The
gods.
Lord said, we're gods on earth, read.
and all of you are children of the Most
You
High.
are what?
And all of you are children of the Most
We're
High.
the children of the Most High God. I want to say, Kum Yasha'ala, death and destruction of Babylon the Great.